Thank you so much. May pa-drop si Preka. Thank you, Preka. Good morning. Swerte ni Jonathan. Thank you so much. One more daw, one more talaga. Thank you so much. Yehey! Tuwang-tuwa ang Jonathan. Oh, kalma lang, kalma. Daming bigay ah. Thank you po. May Superman pa. Thank you, Prika. Thank you, thank you. Ayan na. 115 viewers. Thank you. Naglalaro pala ba siya? Wow, mag-3 star na si Jonathan. Ayan na, may barrel pa. Tugug. Thank you so much. Sana manalo siya. Wagi. Tugug. Congratulations. Yehey. Thank you sa 3 star, Preka. Thank you so much. Blessing talaga, oh. Mag-thank you ka. Thank you. Thank you, Prika. Thank you so much. Makakakota kami ni Jonathan, guys. Konti na lang. Hello, good morning, Miss Lucky. Oh, kalma lang, relax ka. Hello, Miracle. Good morning. Thank you so much, Preka. Thank you sa blessing. Lalaro siya. Oh, relax ka lang. Kalma, kalma. Thank you so much. Ayan pang ganda. Beautiful. Wow. Sobrang thank you. Thank you, Preka. Thank you for your support. Thank you, thank you. Wow, okay ng Jonathan. Finally, something big. Thank you so much. Nanalo yata siya. Thank you so much, guys. God bless. Nanalo. Nanalo siya. Tuwang-tuwa si Jonathan, Preka. Share po sa live. I've been waiting for that to happen. Thank you so much. 1K na lang kota ng Jonathan. Tatlong araw, 2 araw pa. Si Baymax, good morning. Preka, thank you, thank you. Mini, thank you. Tuwang-tuwa ang Jonathan. One more pa. Hello, Jaja. Si Colin. Relax lang. Kalma lang. Thank you so much. Love you guys. Thank you, thank you. Yehey! Sabi ni Jonathan, yehey! Tuwang-tuwa. Thank you, Prika. Thank you so much. Hello, Dayan. Thank you sa gift. Thank you so much. Love you too. Yehey. Palakpakan. Yehey. My favorite. Thank you so much. Love you too, Rika. Bye-bye daw, bye-bye. Thank you so much. Love you. God bless. Thank you sa support. Have a great day. Yes, thank you so much. Si Hema, Mihima. Thank you so much. Love you. Thank you sa support. Bye-bye. Bye-bye daw, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you. Love you. Si Loki. Bye-bye daw, bye-bye. I'm okay daw. Okay. Hello, Ann. Good morning.